Our patio already has like these big ick chairs and even a suspended one, but this is the first time that we're introducing this beautiful chair. Look at this spinning right here. I got this for my review and honestly, I'm super impressed. My daughter put it together and she literally took like, she's not a very fast builder, but she took about an hour and a half to do that because it's not just putting this together, but you do have a full set of kind of like those gears and that rotating base right there. This thing is extremely comfortable. I'm gonna show you exactly how it works and everything, but let's talk about the build itself and how wide it is, because you can see how wide the actual, footprint is. And I love the fact that these cushions are super, super plush, and even plushier is this one right here. As you can see, it's a little bit thicker than the backrest because you want to have that extra comfort, right? Now, it is a rotating chair, but it's also a rocking chair. So you can actually rock back and forth, almost side to side. I mean, it's not made to be side to side, but this whole kind of like base is really movable. It is so comfortable. I mean, I feel like I'm always wanting to be in chairs like on those two feet in the back, and that's my position right now. The high back is lovely. Usually these chairs have lower backs. Right now I'm complete, look at that, even my neck, I actually can be like super well positioned like that. So I love that. Again, extremely wide, as you can see, very, very comfortable there. It is sun resistant, rain weatherproof, super easy to clean this surface. Obviously super easy to clean this surface as well. Yeah, a big winner in my book. This thing is a great addition to any patio.